This type of video trending on Instagram right now. Let's see how to create. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel.
First, we need to generate an image using Gemini AI. To generate this image, open Gemini AI and upload your photo along with the provided prompt. For this image, use your picture with this prompt. For the next one, use your hand photo with the given prompt. For another image, use your photo with the next prompt. And again, use your image with the next prompt. Generate all the required images using the prompts that I will provide in the description. After generating all the images, open Grok AI. Once it opens, select the image option at the top. Then click on Edit Image and upload your generated photo. After uploading, click on the Video option. Now paste the video prompt. I will provide it in the video description and click Send. Your video will be generated. Now repeat the same process. Select the image. Add the second video prompt. Click Send. The video will be generated. Again, select the image. Add the third video prompt. Click Send. The video will be generated. Repeat the same steps for fourth video prompt, fifth video prompt. Each time, the video will be generated successfully. After generating all the videos, open any video editing software. Add your music track. Place all the generated videos on the timeline. Adjust the clips according to the beat of the music. Make smooth transitions if needed. Finally, export your video. If you also want the editing part explained in detail, comment below and I will explain it step by step.